Welcome to the AI Shorts PAL training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create whiteboard video. For creating whiteboard video, go to the left menu. Click on whiteboard video. Just insert your keyword. Now style your whiteboard video. Insert video title. Select font family. Font size. Font color. And background color. Add slide on video by clicking on Add Slide Break. Now you can choose Vox Creator from list. Select background music. Select background music volume. Click on Create Shorts and your video will be created. You can see the video in my Shorts section.
Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we conduct transactions and store data. At its core, traditional systems rely on a central authoritative validator, enhances security and eliminates the risk of a single point of failure. Blockchain also ensures transparency and immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain,
Thanks for watching the video.